Day in the life of a 24-year-old making $100,000 a month. Let's get it. 10:35 a.m. on this Friday. And so Fridays are kind of like my half day where I still do a little bit of work and then my girlfriend comes through and then we do whatever the hell we want in Chicago. And then from there, I pretty much don't touch work until Monday. So consider Friday like a good little end to the week, pretty chill. So honestly, this week's been okay. Like we were preparing all week for our new webinar / free class yesterday, last Thursday. And let's just say it didn't perform the way we wanted it to. Back to the drawing board. A lot of things we had to revise and think over. Don't have the answers right now on what exactly we're gonna do and how we're gonna keep growing, but we will figure it out. So stay tuned. But anyways, let's get the day started. So I've actually been getting more into meditation recently. I started meditating when I was 18, 6 years ago, and I got really deep into it. Basically, I bought this fitness course. If you guys know who Kino Body Gregor Gallagher is, I bought his program right after I quit basketball and my hoop dreams were crushed and I wasn't gonna make it to NBA. And because I was like, okay, well, I'm not gonna play basketball anymore. I might as well just get jacked, get ripped for the ladies, you know what I mean? So bought that Kino Body fitness program. And so it taught me a lot about how to actually work out, how to eat right, how to actually build an aesthetic physique. I'd say the biggest benefit to it was learning about presence and enjoying the journey to get to your goal. Because if you're trying to get to 6-8% body fat, or if you're trying to build 10-20 pounds of muscle, like it doesn't happen overnight. It's a long fucking process of maybe 6-12 weeks, maybe even 12 months. And so the only way to get through that process is instead of always waiting and waiting and waiting to get to the goal, you just stay present in the moment and enjoy the process to get there. And if you are present and you do enjoy the process, like that's when success comes. If you just focus on the moment right now and love what you're doing every day, then you've already won. And I would say like since I moved to Chicago, living my dream life, my dream apartment, all of that, I honestly stopped meditating, not gonna lie, because I thought it wasn't really necessary. But I always have to tell myself, like a bunch of mentors I paid $5,000 for. They always tell me this. Once you make it, you forget what got you there. And so I realize now that I've been skipping a lot of my routines and a lot of my good habits that have got me to 100K a month online. And I think that's one of the reasons I haven't been able to scale to $1 million a month yet, is because I've stopped working on my skills, kind of been coasting with my dream life. And it's time to get back on the grind. So the 3 extra things I'm doing every day, first thing before I get to work or anything like that, meditate for 20 minutes. So you literally just sit down for 20 straight minutes and then just try to focus on your breath. And then anytime you think of some other shit, like let's say you think of this thought and this thought and this thought, you have to pull yourself back and then just focus on that breath. And then you try to do that for 20 minutes straight. 2 is I have my copywriting routine, and 3 is I have my speaking routine. Not gonna go over that in this video, but if you are interested in learning those exact routines, I'll put a card up here or here so you can watch a full YouTube video of how I broke it down and what exactly I do. But anyways, I have about 30 minutes before my one and only meeting for the day. So I'm gonna clutch out a quick 20-minute meditation session. Let's get it. Okay, weird transition, but end of the meeting. Now I'm with Allison, and Allison, what are we doing?
We are doing some service for the holiday season because I want to like give back in some way, and so we just got a few non-perishable items from our houses and we're gonna donate them to a food pantry.
Basically, we're giving a bunch of canned food away for those who need it. Allison, why is it important to give back?
Well, we're so fortunate with what we have, and I think so many of us focus on I need this, and like what we're lacking, but rather we should like be giving back and, you know, serving. I think in order to be a good leader, you also have to know how to serve, you know, and how to give back to the community. Whee!
Oh yeah, baby. Allison, how would you describe Jack Frost's pop-up?
Christmassy, Instagrammable photo ops with like activities, but it's slightly overpriced.
It's okay. Back at the crib. You already know the vibes.
More Christmas movies.
Yeah.
Let's watch this one.
All right, Allison, how was the movie?
So bad. It was like 1 out of 10.
Probably top 3 worst Christmas movies we watched this year, but it wasn't as bad as the other 2. The other 2 were
The
way
elephant
worse.
one.
So me reads, baby. Not gonna lie, me and my girl fell asleep, and because I'm crazy, woke up and filmed this outro at like 4 a.m. As always, official numbers for the day: $1,817. But 4 hours into the new day, I'm already at $1,294. If I combine for this entire vlog, I made $3,111. And if you're wondering how I'm able to make all this money without doing much work, I just made a free course breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit just type messages on my phone. Now you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. It's on YouTube, just check out this playlist right here and get a pen and paper out because it's gonna go crazy. So again, check out this playlist right here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.